In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color half a page in Microsoft Word using a rectangle shape. This is a quick way to create a clean, professional split-page look, great for section dividers, cover pages, or highlighting key content. We'll place a colored block over half the page and send it behind your text so everything stays readable. First, open your document and head to the Insert tab. Click Shapes, then choose the rectangle. Your cursor will change, and you're ready to draw. Click and drag to draw a rectangle that covers exactly half the page. You can place it on the top or bottom half, or on the left or right, depending on your design. Use the page edges and margins as visual guides. If you want more precision, drag from a corner and line it up with the halfway point of the page. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can adjust the size by dragging the handles until it neatly fills the half you want. With the rectangle still selected, go to the Shape Format tab that appears. Now it's time to make it look the way you want. Click Shape Fill and choose your color. Pick a color that suits your document's theme and provides enough contrast with the text you plan to place over it. If you're unsure, a medium tone often works well because it's strong without overpowering the page. Next, clean up the edges so it looks seamless. Click Shape Outline and choose No Outline. This removes the border line around the rectangle, which keeps the design modern and prevents any unwanted lines from showing around the colored area. At this point, the rectangle might be sitting on top of your text. To fix that, keep the shape selected, go back to Shape Format, choose Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. This sends the shape to the back so your content appears in front. If you prefer, you can also right-click the shape, choose Send to Back, and then Send Behind Text. Either option achieves the same result. Once it's behind text, you can click into your document and type directly on top, or move existing text so it sits neatly over the colored half. That's it. You inserted a rectangle, sized it to cover half the page, formatted its color and removed the outline, and sent it behind your text for a clean, readable layout. Adjust the size or color anytime to refine the look, and you'll have a polished split-page design in moments.